Hello, I am Sabala Laharika. In this video, I am presenting my project multi-tenant SaaS platform with user, project and task management. This is a platform where any organizations can manage their users and projects and tasks associated with the users or within the organization. And this platform is a client server is built using a client server architecture, and in the client layer we have chosen the web browser, and means we can access our application through web browser. And for front end we are using React, and we have created different pages for login, register, projects, tasks, management and etc. And we have also created the dashboards with different analytics. And the next one is, and this front end will act as the client, and the backend and database together will act as the server. This backend will built using Node.js or Express will connect with the database which contains our data. PostgreSQL is the database we use, and these 5 are different tables we require to run this platform. And these 5 are different attributes we are using for the relation. And a tenant can have user, projects, tasks and audit logs. Means a tenant can manage users, project and tasks within the organization, and a user is associated with the tenant, but he cannot manage the tenant related tasks, a regular user. Let's see our project demonstration. First go to the VS Code and type the command docker compose app -d to start the container. And if you face any issues during login in the website, then use the commands npm run migrate to create the relations in the container backend, and npm run seed to create the demo data for testing. And this is the login page of our project, and these 3 are the different demo credentials used to access 3 different dashboards for super admin, tenant admin and regular user. First, let's go with the regular user dashboard and just see what's there. And this is the regular user dashboard where he can see his assigned tasks and their progress of or on the status, and he can also see these tasks are associated with which project, and he can edit his profile only name. This will automatically update the name in the backend also. Now let's see normal tenant admin dashboard. And in tenant admin he can see the project tasks, and he can manage his team members and projects. And when it comes to team members, he can delete the existing users, he can update the existing users, and also can create the new user as well. Create demo.com. can see the projects and can create the new project and can view the tasks and can update the working tasks, can update the status of the tasks. And let's go back to the projects. Can change the status to completed and can see filter it as well to view different views. Now let's see the super admin dashboard. Super admin, the rate system.com, admin the rate 123. Since super admin is not associated with any subdomain, we are just removing this and just sign in. And here we can see the number of organizations that are active and their subdomains and their current plan, etc. You can also see how many total users are using his platform and what tasks are running in his platform and the projects associated with different organizations. And he can access the tenants to see their details. And when it comes to projects, he can only view the projects and can't edit or delete these projects. And when he click on any of the projects, he can view the tasks associated also, but he could only see them, can't do any changes. And when it comes to all statuses also, he can filter. Now let's create one more tenant through register your organization. Steam company with subdomain test and the admin test admin @test.com. Let's create an account. On creation, it will redirect to the tenant admin, but let's once relog in that test admin as well. Admin @test.com, admin @123. Test.com, test @123 and the subdomain test. Sign in. Now everything will work fine. And go to the dashboard. Since it's newly created one, there are no any task projects associated with it. First let's create a user. Add the user. Test user 1. Email user 1@test.com and password. Okay, and you can also update and and you can also delete the user. Now let's go to the project and create a new project. Like testing project. A project to test the application and create the project. Click on it and add a task. The task will be the make a document. Description will be understand the workflow and make a good document. It will be assigned to the test user and the due date, etc. In this way, we can create the task and can update their status as well. Now let's see the test user 1. Of test tenant and sign in, where he can see these tasks and can show update his tasks as well. This shows the multi-tenancy management of the project. See, in Super Admin you can see this new testing company and you can manage these organizations as well. And can view this testing company projects also. And when it goes to settings, you can change this web plan if requested by the tenant admin of test. That's it. This project shows the how we can manage multiple tenants in a single application and how they can manage their tasks, etc. And they can't upgrade themselves directly also. Thank you for watching.